Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm so excited to be here today to talk about Novo. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to save money and make your finances easier to manage. And if you're a business owner, you know how important it is to have a reliable and affordable banking solution. That's why I've been using Novo for the past few years, and I'm here to tell you all about it. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, does Novo accept mobile deposits? And I'm also going to share some other tips and tricks for using Novo to save money and grow your business. So, let's get started. What is Novo? Novo is a challenger bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, business accounts, and credit cards. What sets Novo apart from other banks is that it's 100% free to use. There are no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements. Novo also offers a number of other features that make it a great choice for business owners. For example, Novo offers free invoicing and expense tracking, early direct deposit, a virtual card that you can use to make online purchases, a mobile app that makes it easy to manage your finances on the go. So, now that you know a little bit about Novo, let's get to the question at hand. Does Novo accept mobile deposits? The answer is yes. Novo accepts mobile deposits from your smartphone or tablet. This is a great feature because it makes it easy to deposit checks and other documents on the go. Here's how to make a mobile deposit with Novo. Open the Novo app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the deposit button. Select the type of deposit you want to make. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete your deposit. Once your deposit has been processed, the funds will be available in your Novo account immediately. In addition to mobile deposits, Novo also offers a number of other ways to deposit funds into your account. You can deposit checks at an ATM, transfer funds from another bank account, use a wire transfer. Now that you know how to make a mobile deposit with Novo, let's talk about some other tips and tricks for using Novo to save money and grow your business. Tip 1. Use Novo's budgeting tools to track your expenses. Novo offers a variety of budgeting tools that can help you track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. For example, you can use the Novo app to create budgets for different categories, such as groceries, rent, and utilities. You can also use the app to track your spending over time and see where you can make cuts. Tip 2. Take advantage of Novo's early direct deposit feature. With Novo's early direct deposit feature, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days early. This can be a big help if you're short on cash at the end of the month. Tip 3. Use Novo's virtual card to make online purchases. Novo's virtual card is a great way to make online purchases without having to share your actual credit card number. This can help protect you from fraud. Tip 4. Use Novo's mobile app to manage your finances on the go. Novo's mobile app is packed with features that make it easy to manage your finances on the go. You can check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills from your smartphone or tablet. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Novo and its features. If you're looking for a free, reliable, and easy-to-use banking solution, I highly recommend giving Novo a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.